video where today a storm hit. I am so sorry. This storm has been going on for like 9 minutes, and I tried to get some footage of it, but it just didn't work. Oh my god! Look at this storm. I haven't seen anything like it. I am sure you can hear my sister in the background. Eva, don't panic, I'm here. Guys, there's no cars. Some of them are bouncing off the ground down there. OMG, what is going on? Oh my god. OMG. OMG. This is like the biggest thunderstorm ever. Look at this trash in the road. No, save me, please. Oh my god. You are not seeing how many things are on the floor right now. Guys, this is one of the best thunderstorms I've seen in my life. Just look at it. Guys.
We've got coffee and we can't put coffee in there.
Yeah, Thomas.
We can't put Thomas on just yet. Stop now.
Guys.
Stop.
Dunno, could be for Mark 2.
Get on. Get on. Get it.
Mummy, let's be safe. Leave it another 5 minutes.
Get on. Get on. I want to get it on.
Mummy, leave it another 5 minutes. I would.
There's no lightning.
Is it going away?
Oh, I want to catch some epic lightning in this video. But Mummy, them clouds are still really black.
Talk us through that board.
I want Thomas.
One of them.
There is ice in the grass. Look at the road. Guys. Oh, rain's starting to kick in a bit again. Oh, car! Oh no, that piece of trash has got wiped out. Wipe out! Guys, I think that's it of the storm. If not, I'll do a part 2, okay? Good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause it and then see what happens. Okay, guys, actually no. I'm gonna leave this video. Goodbye.